There is a Chinatown in Nigeria where manipulation, skills, creativity, speed, grit, and the quest to make money turns into production. Here, people produce clothes in millions every day. Their products are sold across Africa and even shipped to some parts of the Western world. This is Abia, the China of Africa. Hi guys, so I am currently at the biggest Nigerian made wears market in Abia, Nigeria. Most of you will not believe, but there are certain dresses in the market that are made like ready-made, like foreign dresses, foreign made wears in this city, but you will not believe it. Let me show you. To locate this market in Abia, find your way to Ngwa Road by Mosque and ask of emejiakamarket. This market is a street market that sells on specific days where most producers display their designs along the road for buyers. The market sells on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. On these days, the market is filled to the brim with both sellers and buyers from different parts of the country. People also come from countries like Ghana, Togo, Cameroon, Equatorial Guinea, Liberia, Libya, Chad, Sierra Leone to shop here. This is the real made in Abia market for clothing. In this market, they produce pants for children and adults, jeans, shorts, and trousers for both male and female, corporate wears, joggers, boo-boo gowns, party wears, bodycon gowns and tops, jerseys, even children wears. Most of the producers in this market come up with their own designs and manufacture them, while others replicate trendy designs in the market. Some producers also produce designs specially from their customers who sell them in their different cities. Most of the fabrics used in producing clothes sold in this market are sourced from the biggest fabric market in Africa, which is also located in Abia State, Nigeria. This proximity factor helps to play a huge role in pricing and makes clothing in this market very affordable. You can shop a clothes for as low as 1,000 naira or 1,500 naira in this market. The same way the quality of Shein dresses are different from the quality of Turkish dresses, clothing produced in this market have different qualities. Some producers focus on producing high quality clothing that costs from 10,000 naira per cloth to 15,000 naira per cloth, while some other producers focuses on very cheap clothing for as low as 1,000 naira only. The history of this market is traced down to the family of Emejiakamarket, who was a notable individual in the Ngwa community, highlighting the Igbo roots of the Ngwa clan. This market holds hope for a lot of people because they earn their living off producing and selling made in Abia wares. This market also stores memory for many who once sold in this market. If you've ever visited this market in Abia, let me know in the comment section if you used to sell here or when you were little, your parents used to bring you to this market. Let me know in the comment section. Emejiaka is not just a market, it holds memory, it holds hope, and it gives peace to a lot of people who know that every day they come here to make money. Emejiaka is not just a market, it is a representation of the entrepreneurial spirit of the people of Abia. If you're still watching up until now, like this video, share it, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy the rest of the vlog, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.